Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Feast your eyes on this 2023 Ford Transit 250 with 45,399 miles. This is the coolest vehicle you will see today. Get it? It's cool because it's a refrigerated van. Dad jokes aside, this vehicle's highlights include a ThermoKing V320 refrigeration unit, 115-volt standby plug-in, Kemlite lined walls and ceiling, a diamond plate aluminum floor, Bluetooth, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.